Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for the cutest bathing suit for this summer, then I highly recommend this one here. Let me show you how it looks and why I'm loving it. This one-piece swimsuit from CUPSHE is everything I was looking for. I really appreciate that it's super cute. I like that once I wear it, I feel super comfortable and confident that nothing's gonna be coming out once I start swimming or diving. I so appreciate the keyhole cutout and the high neck. I think it makes it look super cute and feminine, and I love the crisscross in the back and the adjustable straps as well. And of course, the scallop trim that it has make it look fabulous. I so like this floral design and I love this color, but if you're not feeling it, there's other colors as well. So if you're looking for that cute yet modest and girly bathing suit, then definitely go for this one, but that's just my point of view.